Welcome to Jamaica.
Yes, this is just wonderful. The last video would have showed you that Spirit Airlines now flies to Montego Bay from Baltimore. As an occasional passenger to Baltimore, I love this. Yeah man, greetings. It's Stewie coming to you again from beautiful Montego Bay, Jamaica. It's one of those videos today when I feel like chatting a little with you. There's just a lot happening in Jamaica overall, but if you have been a passenger on board this flight with me, you would know that my topic generally goes around Jamaica's aviation growth. If you're not yet a passenger on this channel, just hit the subscribe button. There's a chance you might still get a first class seat. Just join me. Let's document Jamaica's aviation growth together. So on Friday, July 11, 2025, Spirit Airlines made good on its promise to return non-stop flights between Montego Bay and Baltimore, Maryland.
2618, arrived 1701, vacate via taxiway Bravo, contact ground 121.71, clear.
Vacate via Bravo, ground next 2618.
Southwest 9018, Sangster Tower, wind calm, clear to land runway 07.
07 Southwest 918.
Spirit Airlines' commitment to the Baltimore route will have it doing 3 times weekly flights. That's Mondays, Fridays, and Saturdays. Spirit Airlines' present schedule has it landing in Montego Bay close to about 10:30. That's the only disappointment for me. I was hoping for Spirit Airlines to arrive in Montego Bay at least 9:30. That way, with a quick turnaround, you'd have a 10:30 or so flight leaving out of Montego Bay for Baltimore. I have always been wishing for Southwest to give us a nice AM flight out of Montego Bay to Baltimore. But sometimes you need somebody just to rattle the cage a little bit. Now that Southwest has introduced a baggage fee, is this the right time for Spirit to make the move?
Southwest 9018, arrived 02, vacate via taxiway Bravo, contact ground 121.71, clear.
Bravo on official ground 217 Southwest 918.
Let me just be clear, I am not favoring any one of these airlines. I am one of those passengers whose choice of airlines is usually centered around ticket prices. This for me is just good old-fashioned competition, and this is usually good for passengers, as this will definitely affect ticket prices in a positive way.
Sangster Tower, hello American 1349er.
1349er, Sangster Tower.
Ready in about a minute and a half.
1349er, Sangster Tower, Roger, hold short, runway 07.
Hold short 07 American 1349er.
Southwest Airlines at the date of this video has 3 daily flights out of Baltimore. One of them coincides with the Spirit Airlines flight arrival just minutes apart on most days, based upon my own observations. What are Spirit's plans on pulling this one off, operating on a route dominated by Southwest? Are there any special provisions by any airline? I have heard of discounted baggage prices from one airline. I can't verify, so let me know what you think or what you know about this matter in the comment section. Looking forward to your comments. I have learned so much from you over the years.
Sangster Tower, confirm ready.
American 1349er, we're ready, holding short 07.
American 1349er, Sangster Tower, Roger, wind 090 degrees at 10 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 07.
Clear for takeoff 07 American 1349er. Good afternoon, November Lima, Ronan, 37.
Thank you, Juliet, November Lima. Thanks to tower. Continue approach runway 07, quarter 3 mile final.
Approach, Sky 3 miles, November Lima. Blue 2126 is holding short 7, ready for departure.
CW2126, thanks to tower. Hold short runway 07.
Hold short 07, Blue 2126.
Airborne 08, contact Sangster radar 120.8, have a great flight.
Great day to you, American 134.
Juliet, November Lima, roger, wind 080 degrees at 13 knots, clear to land runway 07.
7, November Lima.
November Lima, arrived 11, vacate via taxiway Delta, contact ground 121.71, clear.
Delta ground 121.7, November Lima.
JetBlue 2126, thanks to tower, wind 070 degrees at 13 knots, clear for takeoff runway 07.
7, JetBlue 2126. Also ready to go, running 07.
Air Wings 270, thanks to tower line up and wait, runway 07.
Running 07, Airlines 270.
Blue 2126, Airborne 13, contact thanks to radar 120.8, have a great flight.
Alright, 20.8, have a great day, JetBlue 2126. Good day, Air Canada 983 is with you, and we'll be ready at the end for 07.
Canada 983, thanks for tower, hold short, runway 07.
Hold short 07 in Air Canada 983.
Spirit wings 270, thanks to tower, wind 070 degrees at 15 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 07.
Roger, clear for takeoff, runway 07, Spirit wings 270.
Another 983, thanks to our line up and wait, runway 07.
Wait 07, Air Canada 983.
Spirit wings 270, airborne 16, contact thanks to radar 120.8, have a great flight.
Well, 8, good day.
The 983, wind 080 degrees at 18 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 07.
Clear for takeoff 07, Air Canada 983.
Canada 983, airborne 19R, contact thanks to radar 120.8, have a great flight.
Air Canada 983, bye-bye.